Today is going to be a really quick video. Tonight, it is 10 p.m. right now. There's going to be a night cruise here in Washington by a big car group, Namsayin, which I'm excited to enjoy. I'm excited to attend. I got my GoPro set up right there. Today's video is just going to be some night cruising. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's going to be quick, no talking, just driving. Enjoy. A very expensive run today. Ooh. We got Thomas here too. Here at the meet point, some really sick cars. Oh, they're rolling out now. Get out of here soon. I'm not excited to get out of this driveway. I'm about to scream to death.
BMW won't look it up.
Real quick, we'll just do a quickie. Ah, dude, I don't know if we have enough room.
No.
That's definitely not enough room. All right, right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You would have got me. You would have got me. You already pulling up on me. For sure.
What gear did you pull on?
Huh?
What gear did you pull on?
Third.
What gear did you
Third.
Alright, I did third too.
I get the hit on you though, but then, you know, you pulled up on me. For sure. I really want to get it tuned and see.
Oh, you didn't load the map?
No, I didn't, because I need to do a comparison video. Alright guys. Alright, that's gonna conclude today's video. Super spontaneous. I was debating whether or not I should even post this video. A lot of my GoPro footage actually got corrupted, so a lot of the footage were all gone, and I was contemplating whether or not I really wanted to post this video because there wasn't a lot of driving. But I decided to do it anyways. Editing this video gave me a lot of freaking cool ideas to post more cruising videos like this. Got a couple pulls in with Aaron or Thomas in the F80 M3. Pretty close neck to neck with him. He's full bolt-on with a stage 2 flash. I'm currently stock tune on Catted Downpipes, exhaust and intake. And you know, he took me every single time, but very close. So I'm pretty excited to get to flash the tune on my car and see what happens there. And we'll definitely run it back. But again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it probably isn't what it could be. I tried my best to do whatever I can with this footage. And just wanted to put out something there for you guys and not waste this footage at all. But the next cruising video, I promise we'll get a lot more driving footage and make it a lot more fun to watch. But thank you again for watching, guys. That's all for today's videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.